We have seen the reports that Serbia has withdrawn military personnel and equipment away from the border. We have not yet verified those independently, and we will be looking for further confirmation. But if it's true, that would be a welcome step, something that we called for to happen last week, and we would welcome them having taken that step. We continue to be concerned about the cycle of rising tensions and sporadic violence in northern Kosovo, and encourage both parties to return to the EU-facilitated dialogue.
Have there been any contacts with officials on either side since this Friday?
So there have been. The Secretary, of course, talked with President Vučić on Friday, and we've had other conversations over the weekend, not at the Secretary level, but at other levels inside the State Department. I'll come. Yeah, go ahead.
So the Serbs said that they told the White House on Friday that the troops were decreasing, and then you have even Serbian president going, giving on the record saying that last year they had 14,000 troops, that right now the number was 7,500, and now it's reducing to 4,000. So my question, why did you then issue a statement saying troops were increasing when he told you that they were decreasing?
Because we did see an increase of Serbian forces at the border. Now, with respect to whether they are decreasing since Friday, we've seen reports, but as I said, we have not yet verified those.
Did Joe Biden, no, I just want to follow up because this is really something that I follow here from the day one. Did Joe Biden sign off on these exact words when the statement went out?
So I'm not going to speak to internal deliberations inside the government, but I can tell you we have confidence in what we said about this situation. Now I'm just the same way I cut out. Hold on, just this. I will, if there's time, I'll come back. In the same way I cut Alex off, there's a lot of people with a lot of topics. I moved to Saeed.